Well, well. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good evening, good day. Greetings, guys. Greetings on a happy Thursday. How do you feel? What's up? How do you feel, chat? How do you feel, lovely community? Hello, hello. Time to get started and put the pressure away. Time to share the presentation. You guys want to do the same thing with all the community members pretty much everywhere. All the trading groups. Come on, guys, do it. Take the link and feel free to invite Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, trading groups, all your friends, neighbors, family members, everyone. We are live. Good morning, good day. It's an important day, and I'll tell you. Oh, what's up, Jake? Good morning. Yesterday we ended on plus 5,000. Plus 5,000 on the big belly accounts. We've hit our target on Blusky on both accounts. We traded two evaluations yesterday, the 200k and 150 static. Hit a target on both. So extremely favorable situation to pass this two accounts. And we also made money on our fifth Lucid account, 2,500. Today is a big day, guys. We could qualify for a max payout on Lucid. We could qualify on a max payout on Lucid. This is the account. Have a look into that. This is the account, Lucid Pro, the last one needed. The other four are ready for the payout. This is the last one of 150k. So we could qualify for max payout today. We have to produce buffer plus the payout value. Buffer is 4,600. Payout value is 3,000. So 157,600. And we've got 155,493. You gotta do the math there. 157,600 minus 155,493 is 2,107. So 2,110. That's what we gotta do here. And it's max payout on 5 accounts. 2,110. Oh yeah. The whole trend is not looking good. The momentum is there for the bears. We gotta keep tracking that. Let's go. Yeah, let's have that message up. 2,110. We're going to have that message there, guys. 2,110. We're not going to get started with our Lucid. We have to warm up with the FundedSeat. We got to warm up with a Blusky, with all these companies. Still the same promotions. FundedSeat is running unlimited users 50% off. That's the link. Blusky still the same promotions. Propel accounts 30% off unlimited users. And the Lucid as well. 40% off on the Lucid Pro, heavily discounted unlimited users. Lucid Pro, no daily loss limit at the moment for limited time. I have a video today about Lucid, which I'll post. A comparison that will help you decide between the Pro and the Flex, and will show you some things that you certainly want to discover. And on top of that, we have a $50,000 giveaway on today's video. I'm going to post it on my channel a little later. $50,000 Lucid Pro, so you want to be part of that too. 15-minute approach. Weekly opening 747. That would be interesting, guys, to touch it. 747. Chat, you want to think about 747. Just by following the pattern and nothing else. 747. Time to fix the green tea before we touch anything else. Getting started with a green tea. And let me tell you something, guys. Today, spontaneously today, I will be doing a giveaway. If we touch our 15 grand payout with that Lucid Pro today, I'll be doing an extra giveaway on Lucid to celebrate that. An extra. Lucid Flex 50K? What do you mean? Are you asking me about a price, or what do you mean exactly? So there's going to be an extra giveaway at the time I hit my target today. We're in a very, very good condition, guys, with all the accounts. I can tell you. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. I'll reach out to your direct messages, guys. We have a ton. We got more than 30. More than 30. Yeah, the Flex increased the prices. Have to update the ads. Yes, recently they increased that one, so the banner needs to be updated, Rosanna's. The current price is a little bit higher. And of course, we gotta hit the likes. We have to touch our target, 180 likes. Remember that, 300k giveaways. Right now, the Lucid Pro is strongly discounted in terms of percentage, but still the price is a little bit higher on the Pro than the Flex, because you know I have an extra $500 on the PAL, so it's kind of justified from the second cycle. Yeah. Wondering about the levels, guys. We are dealing with a tension situation here. 747 stays on my mind. I don't know what you guys think about 747. Weekly opening for initial target. We have 2 hourly candles that are representing strength. It's still a knife catch here if you try to reverse it. Look at that. And if you're going with the momentum, you got to be careful with the trailings. There is going to be over leveraged liquidity going to be hunted. I don't know, Jake. I enjoy sitting here in the sim funded stage. Ha 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 ha. Thank you so much, by the way. Good morning, welcome. Ha 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 ha. Good morning, welcome. This is looking heavy for the downside. Oh yeah. Heavy for the downside. As soon as we clear yesterday's low, 980, 952, market's gaining traction. Weekly opening could give us a bounce, but next week is FOMC week. On the 29th, we have FOMC, I guess. Rate decisions, 60% expected on the pause. So I'm questioning if we get back to last week's low or last month's low this month in July. 28,408, 28,227. I'm thinking about those levels. The 5-minute is nothing but bearish. Now let me show you something very important here you guys want to see. So a double top here, delivering on the purple line, delivering on the weekly VWAP, delivering on the daily opening, delivering on the daily VWAP. Right, so there is a massive conjunction on my indicators here, representing a full confirmation. That's a heavy level of shorting it, heavy level. But I just want you to see how they brought the price action to that level from here. Right, so it was down to 38.40s, and from the 40s, they pushed the price action to that level in order to start this whole liquidity procedure. Artificially pushed there with impulses, and this is the place a lot of the people got trapped. Why? Because they confused this part with the bull flag continuation, right? Bull flag continuation, you have a higher low there that looks great, a higher low, so we got fellas getting knocked down exactly from the very top, which is not a good feeling at all. Oh, thank you, by the way, for joining. It is going to be a significant day. Significant day. Let's have a look into our situation for the FundedSeat accounts. We're going to get started with this one that has $2,000 profit. The volatility is nothing crazy. Is nothing crazy. $2,000 here profit for our FundedSeat Bold. Probably I'm gonna good morning, good day. Good morning, good day. Simplistic videos. Have a good one, buddy. How do you feel? How's your day? How's your trading this times? We're having a good time today. About to qualify for 15 grand on Lucid. Which is quite good for me. Look at that one, guys. 747. Keep that in mind. This is obviously a risky approach, but a limit order, not chasing with market orders, a limit order and a wick might be in the cards. Cheers, everyone, on a green tea. We don't want to miss out on a good green tea. So our FundedSeat accounts are, 2 accounts are in a decent situation. If we successfully convert today's target, we're going to be 65% completed, 60% completed. Look at that, we've got the first green candle stepping out on sizing. I am going to re-short the moves. What I mean by that is any little bounce is going to be shorted. I'm also very happy about our Blusky performance with the static accounts. Here's the link, guys, for those of you. It's a sign up link because you have to be a member of our team. and certainly take it forward from there with the highest discount. So Blue Sky, we're trading basically 2 evaluations. We haven't, I want to pass minimum 1 of this. And we're waiting for the Lucid money before spending more on evaluations. So the Blue Sky, we have an account on 204,000. 2,000 is needed here. This is a static account, the Propel static accounts. Static of 200k. The absolutely beautiful part is the non-moving drawdown. We started with 2,000, and after 2 days of 2,000 profit on each, we have 6,000 drawdown. So we need to do today 2,000 bucks, and we're just gonna be some pennies on the dollar away from the profit goal on the evaluation. Look at that. If I would have shorted, if I would have, could have that green candle. Oh yeah. Keep it coming. We are on fire. Welcome, good morning, good day. Thank you so much for joining. Still not touching this one yet. Yeah, this is an interesting candle. I am longing. Surprisingly, I'm longing with a stop loss right below 145 loss on my stop loss. I'm trying out something. I'd like to see if they give me some momentum here in this candle. Right, I like the combinations of candlesticks here. And we're going tight. 145, 160 loss, not an issue. Stop loss touched. It didn't work. Rebuying it. Rebuying it. Re-entering on my long. Give me a few points, buddy. Yeah, I'm out. We made 70 bucks. We made 70 bucks. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. Suddenly candlesticks are showing a different behavior. They're showing a different behavior at this point. Look at that. I'm testing out along from here with a stop loss right below. Good day, welcome everyone. We got $6,000 drawdown on this account. This is still heavy. It got to be touched. It got to be touched. 523 down. No, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. This is an interesting candle. Haven't touched a weekly. Haven't touched a weekly yet. 747, remember, 747. Well, look at that. Our entry is set a little lower. It has been oversold for a very long period of time. We have some limit orders slightly above the 800s. Double strong rejections. I'll delete those limit orders for the moment. We have a stronger possibility of moving than my entries of short. So I'll prefer waiting more and reshorting from higher. Not needing to short there. We're gonna take it slowly, guys. There is no rush, as you can see. There is no rush here. We're having 3 different accounts sitting in a very important, almost decisive day. Very important. 2 from Blue Sky evaluations, but the big deal is for the Lucid Pro, the 5th fund that we have that is needed for the payout, and then we request from all the 5. Oh yeah, that's the celebration. Bulls are here for the moment. Yet I will be testing something out the other way around. As soon as the new candle opens, I'm testing out a little short. Which might not work. And that could be alright. We'll get out. Exactly. That's what we gotta do, Matty. Good day, good morning, welcome guys. That's what we gotta do. 800 little supply. Might not be sufficient. If so, I'll get out. I'll get out if pattern is broken. Interesting, guys. Interesting. Interesting. Come on. 778 for my target. 557 bucks. Oh, just a little deeper there. Profit hit, guys. Profit hit. We're $2 in profit. The short functioned perfectly. We totally cleared the loss. And here we go. Celebration time. Celebration time. This has been very important, I tell you. I tell you. Boom. You know, when you get a static account in the funded stage and you have daily payouts and no consistency and a static drawdown, you can definitely buy purple. You can definitely buy. Oh. Let's go. Good job. Good job, Jake. We're actually building a perfect structure above a significant 0.747 weekly opening. Not touching it yet, building liquidity here is great. You know why? You do this zigzag. And then New York session does this. And you can run. Right? That is a single variable, a single way of looking at the things. Let's not forget about the possibility of smashing through this level and going down for the 200s. But this theory is going to be played out by me. So... good job for turning around on a green PNL. So 19 rocket. FundedSeat Flex accounts. Let me quickly show you. So you have evaluation on the, you have consistency on the evaluation stage. 40% maximum. No other evaluation basically. And no other consistency, just 40% maximum. It shouldn't be higher than 40%. There's no minimum. On the evaluation stage, because the funded stage is no consistency. For funded, no consistency, zero consistency. It doesn't matter. You can leave winners make you enough money. And you only need 4 days to trade off 250 bucks. Minimum 4 days of 250. Lucid is having minimum 5 days of trading for their flexes on the funded stage. These guys are having 4. And you can have 5 funded account at FundedSeat too, guys. Good job, AD. Oh. Congratulations. It wants to curl up. It wants to. But at the same time, this is going to be a situation that as soon as it looks like it is ready to pump, the market turns around. You know, that ugly situations where you get trapped. You get trapped on a trade. You believe, you know, all these places, there's people longing it here. Why? Because they say finally reversal started, right? Finally reversal started and we're breaking out. If you want for the daily payouts, I mean, you need 4 days between the payouts on FundedSeat Flex, 4 days. If you want daily payouts, you can go Blusky, Propel accounts, Blusky, whether you go 50k. For Propel, you have no activation fee. You can go 50k, end of the day drawdown, or you can go, you know, static drawdown on different models. But the thing is, you can have daily payouts once you are above the buffer, right? So you make the buffer, you get the buffer money you made. Let me show you guys. For example, if you're going for the 50k, if you don't care about static, let's say, on Blusky, here's the link, guys. Gotta use that. If you say you don't care about static drawdown and you are fine trading end of the day, first you want to earn your evaluation, and then you got the buffer, 3,000 bucks. And once you made your buffer, you get that buffer that you made, which is 3,000. You get that money and you trade with $3,000 balance. No consistency on daily payouts. Whatever you produce above that is in your pocket. An absolute beauty. An absolute beauty. With no more drawdown, right? It's static, right? So this is the advantage when dealing with Blusky. Once you are above the buffer, the environment is changing. The environment becomes daily payouts and no consistency. Whether you trade a 50k trailing or the static accounts, well, Leroy, let me explain you what's the difference. Have a look at this. We can look at this specific example with my Blusky account. Let's look into the dashboard here quickly for a 200k. Look at this. This is our net P&L column. It's easier to understand the difference between a end of the day and a static. We have our first day of trading, 1,989, so 2,000 bucks we made in our first day. This 200k static Propel account has $2,000 drawdown when you buy it, which means $198,000. If you touch that, you lose the account. We made $2,000 in our first day. The next day when we started, we had $4,000 drawdown, not $2,000. Because the drawdown is static, it remains at 198. It's not moving, it's not trailing. So obviously it's better. If I would trade this on end of the day, the 2,000 we made would make no difference on my drawdown. It would just trail and follow me next day with another situation that's similar, just 2,000 for the next day too, right? So static remains at a place, you buy it. Any money you're producing, is not just profit, is also additional drawdown. It's a major difference. Now we have $6,000 drawdown because we also made money yesterday, 2,000. Our max loss is at 198 and we have 204. So now we're suddenly in a very, very comfortable situation with 204 balance and a max loss static on 198. Our target is 206. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys. That's the link. Welcome. Oh. That's right. That's right. Not a good feeling. Especially if you're having a green day, touching your daily loss afterwards is certainly frustrating. Testing out a little long here. 10 micros. We haven't traded our Lucid yet. We have not traded our Lucid yet. I'm just opening my Quant Tower right now. I will be testing out along on my FundedSeat accounts too. $7.47, guys. The risk is there. Oh yeah, we just wick for 7.47. We just wick there, guys. Time to see if there is going to be a reaction or not. I'll be DCing here too for my blue sky, and I'm gonna get into a long basically for the other blue sky too, the 150k static. Let's see what we get, guys. Let's see what we get out of this level. There you go. Can we get something from here? This 5-minute candle, it has a lot of time for reaction. 3 minutes to go. I'd like to see this 5-minute candle easily closing above 7.47 easily. It has 3 minutes to go. Easily above 7.47. Beautiful. Beautiful. Keep going. Come on. Generate that reaction. Lovely. 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 Let me get ready for my Lucid Pro. If we ever touch this level again, lovely. 747, guys. If you got the 747, keep it going. Come on, push, push. How is the other account looking like? About to break even on the other that had a pretty high entry. We're long on 3 different accounts. I am slowly opening longs on my Lucid Pro account. This is where we are, guys, on my Lucid Pro. I put some limit order in case we get back. Beautiful. This got to be filled up. 2 minis long. 2 minis long. Hmm. 3 minis long. This is the account we saved yesterday, guys, from being down $500 from the max loss. You guys remember, we lost 4,000. The max loss is 4,500. And during the New York session trading minis, we recovered. Not really liking this one so far. The 5-minute closing we just had is not really exciting. Oh, sorry, Miracle. Good job, Kim. Good to hear that. I'm not really enjoying the reaction right there. On the 5-minute we close, I'm not really enjoying it. I'm not really enjoying. Oh, damn. Look at that. I think we're gonna have a huge wick for this hourly candle. It's the candle of hourly that goes in contact with the London session opening, right? So 30 minutes of this candle is going to be heavy. You don't want to forget about this level, guys. This is a level we successfully generated from the 700s all the way to 366, right? So we managed to do a lot of points. A lot of points. 665 points. From the 700s this week. I mean, you want to be careful. I'm still not longing my big belly accounts. Holding on market opens in about 15 minutes, guys. So make sure to like the video, everyone. We gotta hit those targets. 180 likes for the... Oh. The pressure is still here. The pressure is still here, hunting that 700s. Yeah, I accepted the loss on my Lucid. Accepted the loss here too. On my Blusky on both accounts. Yeah, accepted the loss pretty much everywhere, guys. Accepted the loss, and we're gonna reorganize. There is a lot of the space here for the 700s. There's an extra 20 points. It's not worth not to protect it, right? And re-enter 20 points lower. We're down 1,460. We still have 4,000. Looks like qualifying for the pound, and this fifth count is... Yeah, limit orders on 700, slightly lower than that. We have not sent to yesterday's one. We have a lot of the people in the direct messages. You guys have to wait 2-3 days basically for account deliveries. We have a ton. Since we're doing so many accounts, we have to verify and do a ton of work. So 2-3 days is usually the time. We respond and then obviously take the procedures of verification. I got in a single contract short. Could do like 300 bucks on this. Yeah, for 710. Although this can go... And I'm longing basically levels below 700. How to enter the giveaways. You have to fill up the form here. The giveaways are happening on the live stream. You have to be here. 580. Well, you know, New York session can bring you a ton of volatility, a ton of it, right? So obviously, there is no sign of strength and reversal right now. You can, you know, we can talk about levers at 580 and even lower than that. Stop loss break even, guys, here. Stop loss break even. Let's see if we can snap. Beautiful, beautiful candlestick. Come on. We're profit trailing a little bit. Come on. Hit that limit order. 710. 300 bucks. And we have some limit. Long. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Come on. We made 300, 400 bucks on that one. I'm setting limit orders pretty much everywhere. And I mean on all the other accounts as well. Give me that juice. Give me that juice. Look at that buying pressure. Oh. Oh. What are you up to? Yeah, we could, especially during the New York session. 650s and way lower than that. Could be a non-stop selling today. Could be a non-stop selling today. You just want to be careful on a fake pump. For the New York fake pump. That cat bounce. That cat bouncing. Is this level holding for the moment? I will be testing 2 minis long from here. Nah, it's going down again for the third candle. Impressive. Yeah. Yeah, let me get out and buy lower. Nah. Come on. Have a lovely nosedive here. That was it? Yeah. That was it? Probably that was it. Oh, another one. The fourth candle comes here, guys. Damn, this is crazy, man. The fourth candle. So the 3 candles bought up. Look at that price action. They bought up 3 candles on me. And still pushing back. No way. Aggressive rejection on the very moment the candle opens, guys. This is... I haven't seen that for many months. I haven't seen that for many months. Minis, exactly. For Lucid, we only trade minis for Lucid. I don't know, guys, with the 5-minute algo coming up, I'm not gonna keep this one active. With the 5-minute algo coming up in 3 minutes, we're not gonna keep this trade active this way. We're gonna get out at any little pump we get here, we're gonna get out of this. You know, it's a nightmare. We gotta buy in a wick. We don't wanna buy the green candle, we wanna buy the red candles in this price section. Look at that. You're not even getting the second. Take a look at the chart, guys. We're not getting 2 green candles in a row for a while. This is such a wild thing. The entry is not good here. The entry is not good, and it was not supposed to be like this after the 3 rejections we had there. You have 3 hammer candles not giving you anything for the upside, and then a 4th. So I could go break even and do something. As soon as the 4th came in, I've longed it, and they dump. Nah. Look at that. You might have to repeat the story of yesterday, being down 4,000 to recover. Or what? What do they need from me? Five-minute algo in a minute, guys, so... Exactly. Let's skip. It kept getting my nerves. Look at that. Oh my gosh, breaking my balls here with this one. You're not delivering. You're not delivering. Watch out what's going to happen in the next 20-30 seconds. Five-minute algo is going to rip liquidity. Unbelievable. Everything's fake here. Everything. Not to worry, but everything is fake. Come on. Watch out what's going to happen right now. Watch out. Look at that. Ha 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 ha. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, beautiful. Run, baby. Ha ha ha. Oh. What a nice moment. Watch out for a few impulses right now till the opening. Till the opening, this is going to be different. We got 5-minute pause of that bleeding. 5-minute pause. Can we have 2 green candles in a row? Can we? Look at that. If we have 2 green candles in a row, I'm DCing at the opening time of the candle. Yes. We're 5 minis right now. All you gotta do is just get above 725 and I'm gonna be out of this. All you gotta do. Give me 2 green candles in a row. And nothing. Look at that. Oh my god. Unbelievable, guys. This is unbelievable. Such a scam. Such a scam. Market opens and a few. And they're doing this thing right before the opening. You know, I'm putting my big belly accounts stinky limit orders for longs. Let's do it. Here's the first big belly, 5 minis. Down the road, 681, 676 the other 5. Recovering. But you know, I'm not trusting this. 5 minis and 5 minis for the other one too. I'm not trusting this kind of moves. I'll be out. I'll be out as soon as we clear that silly 725. Before the... Oh. Look at that, guys. Ha ha ha. No way. No way. And I'm not gonna sit in this trade with the opening, guys. Unfortunately, I cannot sit in this trade with the opening. I'll have to take the loss when the opening sounds. I'll have to take the loss. For this account. Oversold means nothing in this situation, guys. Good to see you, fellas. Great to have you on board, and thank you so much for joining. Push, man. I want to get out of this so bad. I want to get out of this so bad. Push. I don't need 5 minis on an account which is 1 day away from the payout. Look at that. The next candle is green. The next come on. This cannot be red. This cannot be red. This candle. This cannot be red. Nah, this cannot be red. This cannot be red. Oh my gosh. Look at that. 725. 2 points away from hitting the target. We're 30 seconds away, guys, and I have to get out of this. And if I get out of this, market is going to go to 800s in matter of no time. Yeah, I sold 2. No, I'm fully out here, guys. I'm sorry, but I'm fully out here. Yeah, we'll do this. 2 minis there, long. Mark is opening. Best of luck. We actually made money on that trade. We actually made money. Look at that. Contracts have been filled up. Ha ha ha. Let's go. Rip it. Rip it, guys. Come on. Rip it. Look at a big belly. $3,000. Rip it. Next candle green. Give me rejection here. The next candle green. Breaking that. Breaking that. Ooh. Ooh. What are they up to? Ha 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 ha. Beautiful, guys. Come on. No. You can't get denied here, don't you? Can you? Come on, beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Give me 2 green candles in a row. This one and the next one. This is unbelievable. We need 2,100. 735, guys. Watch out. 735 and we're securing the pound. Look at that. That's my target. And we're securing the pound. 15 grand. 735. No, we're actually not, because we're down 1,100 unrealized. We still have to do money. We still have to do a little more. The next one, green candle. Beautiful. I'm out here. I don't care. 747 profit. I'm out of my blue sky too. Beautiful. Beautiful. Lovely. Big bellies are making money, that's fine. Big bellies are making money. They obviously do. Ha 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 ha. Fireworks, guys, fireworks. We're not ready yet. We're not ready yet for the payout. We're not ready yet, but you gotta get those fireworks. Boom, you deserve it. I'm selling 5 minis of this big belly. Sold 5. I'm selling 5 minis from the other, and I'm gonna go profit trailing on both. 5 minis open, profit trailing on both. Sitting back, because oh, look at that. So we recovered a lot from, we had to take it step by step. I don't even know what's going on in my accounts right now. I don't even know. So we're 969 down on this Blue Sky, the 200k one. We're gonna relong this. Yeah, I fully got out of my big belly earlier than hitting the trailing. 9,800 profit. Celebration time for this one too. Trading the New York session opening. Take that back. Ooh. Might have an opportunity. Might have an opportunity. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Thank you so much, by the way, guys, for joining. You're still holding, it's not bad. You can trail. You can nicely trail. You can nicely trail. Oh. Hope you guys monetized that long from there. Yeah. Hope you guys monetized it. This can be really powerful. I've told you about this hourly candle. I told you about it. Look at that. It's going to have a long wick. I've called it. So back to serious things. Look at that. We have for our 5th Lucid funded 747, guys, profit. We're down at some point 3,000. 747 profit, and we need 2,110 for max payout. And we're going to request from 5 accounts of 150k, 3,000 from each on Lucid, guys. Oh yeah. Well, it looks decent for the moment. It looks decent for the upside. Yep. Made 1,000 on FundedSeat too. Hit my target there. But now I gotta take care about my Blue Sky accounts. We have 1,000 on each. Down. Yeah, not before we make extra money here for our Lucid Pro. Candle turns green on the hourly. There's a ton of inefficiency. And I can show you with the reversed. I can talk to you about a golden pocket, which is sitting around the 830s. 830s golden pocket. Oh, sorry to hear that, Dennis. You want to try out FundedSeat. FundedSeat Dennis. It's risky with a short, I can tell you. Nah. Yeah. Got in a little long for our blue sky. Trailing profit is set up. I'm out here, $250 profit. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. $250 profit, I'm out. You want to see top 1 futures, you know, this, guys. Blue sky, all these guys. But I told you about a FundedSeat because they have the FundedSeat Flex evaluation, which is very similar. It's actually 4 days of trading, no consistency funded stage. Their Flex account is really competitive, FundedSeat. Yeah, and you can have 5 funded accounts, so... This is the place I'm testing out a little short. And I'm shorting my Lucid account too. Here we go, guys. A single contract on my Lucid. Smash the like, everyone. We have to hit minimum 180 likes on time. We got 40 minutes for that. That's the maximum time, 40 minutes. Otherwise, no giveaways. You want to sign up for the giveaways here and hit the like. Be subscribed, join our Discord. These are the mandatory things to join. $300,000 worth of giveaways daily. Yeah. Here's the golden pocket, so we might get rejected. We might. It's risky, guys, to short this momentum, I can tell you. Look at that. Do we get a weekly opening retest? 747? That would be something I'm interested. 747 retest. Something like this. And then bouncing all the way to yesterday's low, 952. 952. Oh my gosh, damn pressure. Damn bullish pressure. Ha ha ha. Damn bullish pressure, look at that. We got in a short with a big belly accounts too. Now this is still running. Our Lucid Pro is down again to 1,000. Yeah, if you got wrong username is not a good thing, because we cannot verify you. You have to get it right. You'll get it right tomorrow. I'm not really excited about what I see. You shouldn't be too. If you're dealing with a shorts. We just smashed through everything. We're actually having already more than 200 points since the low. More than 200 points. Yeah. More than 200 points. You know the big belly accounts are not having an issue. But I'm a little more concerned about my Lucid Pro. And the blue sky. Here's the blue sky situation, guys. The next 5 minutes would be lovely to touch some blood. Yeah. There's 5 minutes. There's damn 5 minutes. Come on, we just started this damn 5 minutes. I'm not DCing, guys. I'm not increasing my sizing. I'll stick to 2 minis for this one. Even though it would have been a lot better to push that DCA on the highs, we would have fully recovered at this point. But obviously, you gotta think, what if the market still continues and you're out here with 4 minis instead of running it low and taking the loss, or keeping the size under controllable measures. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. We talked about the next one has I'm out here. I'll accept some loss here, and I'm out from the big belly too. I'm out. Wow, what a buying pressure. Damn. Still holding on my blue sky. 195 for the Lucid Pro, but we're still holding for the blue sky. We're putting stop loss break even for the blue sky. This is looking great on the blue sky. The other account too. Stop loss break even for the blue sky. Out here for this one actually. This is stop loss break even. We touch it. Unbelievable, 2 candles like that. Yeah. It's not looking that bad for longs. Honestly. We got it along here. We're going in along for the other one too. Let's go, guys. Unbelievable. Yeah, they are. Level is getting attacked. Level of 800 is getting attacked. And this theory might play out. We talked about earlier, guys. This theory might play out. So in this case scenario, this theory might play out. The Lucid situation is not looking good. Yeah. You're good on that. $3,500 down. Look at that. Is this theory going to play out? That we talked about? Will I be the victim? You know, I'll have to... I got out of my Lucid Pro. 3,000 down. There's still 2,400 to go. If we don't succeed taking this account to payout today or tomorrow, we're requesting the payout from the other 4. Right, that's clear. We're requesting the payout from the other 4. We're gonna take 12 grand instead of 15. The thing is, I'm not having the ability to short it here unless I get out of my big belly accounts and accept that loss. Because I'm not able to hedge long and short at the same time between different accounts. Yeah, Pip Guru, that's right. Sorry to hear that. Reset is good. Peter, 5 funded... 5 funded totally. 5 funded totally. Peter, 5 funded totally. Unlimited evaluations, but 5 funded totally. Of any model. We got in a short here, guys, for my blue sky. We got in a short on my blue sky. We're making money here. And I'm fully out. Yeah, we made lovely money. We're just down 700. Oh... 730 is an interesting level. Yeah, it's not going to be that easy. Big Belly is suffering a little. But we also had profits. We're only down on Big Belly 10,000 because we had 10,000 profit. I went ahead and longed this. Two contracts actually. 2 contracts on my Lucid Pro. 20 micros on my Blue Sky. Look at that one, guys. Come on, we got to do some money here. This is so important for the Lucid Pro to function this trade. So important. Have a good day, Kim. Thank you. Have a good day, buddy. We will need something around 810 is a good target here. I like the way it moves. Even for my Blue Sky one. Keep it going, buddy. Ha ha ha. Keep it going. A few green candles in a row. Keep it going. Keep it going. Oh yeah, lovely. I'm selling a contract. And I'm fully out here. 798 from 3,000. And on this one, we touched the target. We're 1,884 on my Blue Sky. We need $140 extra to pass the evaluation, guys. That's a massive celebration. Let me get out of my big value ones too. 9,000 down there. Who cares when you are making money at the end of the day? Who cares? So look at that. Celebration, fellas. Celebration. Celebration. We cleared. Boom. A massive milestone here. Celebration. 798 for my Pro. After being down 3,000. And the Blue Sky is just $140 away from passing the evaluation. And we're going to pass this tomorrow. We're not going to pass it today. Tomorrow. We're going to pass this tomorrow. $140. You know, it's going to be a huge, huge journey. Huge. We got 7,800 drawdown and we got to do $140. If I lose this account, everyone listen to me. We have 7,800 static. This account. 7,800 static. And I have a target tomorrow of $140. If I lose this account, I give you $1,000 in cash. In giveaways. In cash, $1,000 to the community for that silly mistake if I do it. I'll give you that in cash. Tomorrow, you guys have to watch out. I'll give you that $1,000 in cash if I lose this account. I was sweating big time for my Lucid Pro. I was sweating big time for this. It was down 3,000. And we were doing crazy minis, right? Let's see, guys. Let's see. If I trade so bad, then I deserve to give you $1,000 tomorrow. Yeah, I am happy to do that. Add some little salt. I will be happy to do it. Ha ha ha. So we gotta clear this and make the extra 2,110 here. No, it's not looking good, guys. At 5 minutes, it looks so ugly. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Well, that trade with the shorts on the golden pocket was great. That was great. It's just I did not follow my own idea. Completely not followed. I just followed partially. And then got distracted a little bit. Damn. How are we sitting on the likes? Let me quickly double check that. Oh, we're down so bad, 122. So we have 23 minutes from now, 23 minutes, remember, to hit 180. 23 minutes to hit 180 likes if you want to do the giveaways. Otherwise, we're going to cut the giveaways. And we're not hitting the target, not completing the milestones. Yeah. Chop time, but I'm happy if I could short this somehow and somewhere. I am happy if I can short this. I'll take a break, guys, after the massive trades we had. I'll take a break. Let me see the big belly accounts. What's the situation there? This is up 1,861. We're in profit here. Up. Oh, yeah. And this one is 665. You know, that's decent. Yeah, that's decent. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. I'll be right back. 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. Here we go, guys. 15 minutes for the giveaway. Remember, 15 minutes. 15 minutes. What are we up to? What are we up to? Oh. Market's reacting a little. Yeah. Market's reacting a little. Is this going to be stronger? Is my question. What do you guys think about? I got in along here. Yeah. I got in along, guys, on my Lucid accounts. The Lucid Pro we gotta bring to our target today, plus the big belly. We're not trading the other ones we've got funded. So are you suggesting me shorts? Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Look at that. Ha 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 ha. Oh, come on, keep it going. Great, great, great. Oh, great. We cleared the loss, guys. Celebration. Celebration, we cleared the loss. So we cleared the loss on the Lucid Pro and we have 849 profit. It's time to take care about the big belly accounts that are having a good time, by the way. Yeah, they're having a good time. We're not exiting. We're gonna leave this one open for an 860. $22,000. Sounds good to me. 22,000 for an 860. What do you guys think about? We gotta pedal, and we're going stop loss break even here, so if they want to do dirty things, we're actually trailing 300 bucks. Right, for having a nice coffee there. Yeah. $849. We gotta do 2,110, and we're taking the max payout. If not today, then we still have time tomorrow. 13 minutes to go to hit 180 likes, remember that. We're 36 likes down. Hundreds of people were here. And we're not supporting. Trailing has been hit. This is what happens when you're not securing. I haven't secured my profits on the big belly accounts. So this is what happened. Look at that. Oh, really? Simplistic. 2 blocks away from you. We had 700 people viewing. Interesting level here, guys. I haven't touched it yet. Would you re-short its movements? I'm testing out a short from here on my Lucid Pro. Oh, look at that one. Oh, yeah. This could actually lead us into hitting the target, guys, and going for the max payout, 15 grand. Oh. Do not dare to reverse it. We don't need you to reverse this. I'm taking my trailing away. Come on. Down we go. I'm trailing here, trailing a lot more profits. 20 points for one contract. Beautiful, guys, look at that. We're so close. We're so close hitting 1,811. We still need $300 more, guys. Celebration time. $300 more for this Lucid Pro. $300 more. Attention. Oh. And we're taking max payout. $300 more. Unbelievable. This was down 3,000 today. Yesterday was down 4,000 and the max loss was 4,500. And we traded minis on the opening with that 500 left. And today we're securing the payout. So yesterday was so close on losing the account. 15 grand. 5 accounts will be ready. I'll probably make a video about it. 8 minutes to go, and we're shy by 20 likes. Attention, please. If you want the giveaways, you know the target. One more push. Indeed, 2,110 is needed. That's $300. I'm testing out a short, guys. A single contract short. What a silly buying pressure came in. We're down. That's right, Dennis. Expecting some choppiness here. Look at that. It's coming. 721, guys. That's all we need. 721 here. And the max payout is secured. 721. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Oh. It's coming. Ha 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 ha. Oh, look at that, Badger. We're close to have our 5th account ready for the payout on Lucid. Good to see you, Badger. Look at that. It's coming, Badger. 722, and we're hitting the full target of the account. Oh, what was that? And 2,162. It's over. Game over, guys. It's over. Max payout secured. Max payout secured, guys. Celebration. 5 accounts on Lucid of 150 grand. Fully secured. It's rigged. It's rigged. Boom. Game over. Game over. 15 grand. 15 grand, guys. Game over. Oh. It's game over, guys. 15 grand. It's game over. I'm gonna make a video about this. Posting a video today about Lucid of something else, but then I'll make a video about this before I request a payout. And I'm gonna post it on the weekend. I'll make a video about this. Is a massive achievement. Last time we requested from 4 accounts. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Oh, that was a heavy fight. Today with this account was a heavy fight. We were down today 3,000. That was a heavy fight. Unbelievable, guys. Thank you so much. Keep in mind, Lucid is running the Lucid Pro. No daily loss limit. I told you, if I touch my max payout today, I'm giving you an extra giveaway today of Lucid. So, congratulations, guys. You qualify for this. Thank you, guys. You deserve it. Extra giveaway today for Lucid. We're having 2 giveaways of Lucid today. 2 of them. For my 150k, the payout is 3,000. We have 5 funded, 3,000 from each, 15 grand. I'll press that green button, request a payout. I'll press that tomorrow. After I film, I'll press the button. Thank you, guys. 15k secured. Let's change that message. No more 2010 needed. I was just showing that one to the market makers. Oh my God. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. The adrenaline was so high that I have to slow down. Oh my gosh. Come on, guys. We gotta collect those likes. We're about to get started on the giveaways. Badger is back in business. He is ready. We're down for today. We traded everything. You know, extremely happy with our blue sky. Our 200k is only 140 bucks from being funded. We're moving to the next stage. We passed the evaluation. 200k static, right? So my next stage on my 200k static for Blue Sky is gonna be like this. I gotta do 3000 buffer. I have a 2000 static to do 3000. What a comfort, right? Very comfortable. 3 days of trading. If I go and push for 1k a day, 3000 is the buffer. Once I manage to do that buffer, I get that buffer money. And I trade it without consistency and daily payouts, right? So we just have to do 3000. And whatever we do above that with the 3000 we made is going to be daily payouts and no consistency. Oh. Yeah, tomorrow green. Tomorrow green as well. Alright guys, 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Thank you so much. Make sure to join our Discord community for those of you that are not members. You gotta be part. Yes. I think they do. I think they do. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure, Mr. Knifear, on that one. Not 100% sure. Maybe not. Maybe this is the maximum contracts. I can ask directly with their executive and see, but even with 20 micros, we can do nice money with that. Yeah, we did 6,000 in 3 days, so it's possible, right? Almost 6,000, 5,868. But remember guys, tomorrow's challenge, if I lose this Blue Sky account, which is having 7,868 drawdown, if I lose this, and not touch my target tomorrow of 140, I give you $1,000 cash. So if I manage to succeed on a such failure, I'll give you $1,000 cash tomorrow. On the launch plan, let me ask for your question. So Cabrera, yes, you can use the giveaway next week. Yes. Blue bubbles. On the launch plan. So the launch plan is with activation fee. You have to pay the activation fee once you pass the evaluation. And depends on which account. On the 50k? I guess you're asking me about a 50k. You gotta do 3,000 to pass the evaluation. And then you have a 3,000 buffer. Then you get the buffer money. 3,000, you get that. And you trade without consistency and daily payouts. So once the buffer value is achieved, you start trading with that value above for profits. With no consistency and daily payouts. Good day, welcome everyone guys. Huge day today, huge day. We qualified for Lucid 5 accounts, $3,000 on each payout, 15 grand secured today with this Lucid Pro. You know what we did? Oh, I can show you. Here's the Lucid Pro. Here's the account we managed to trade. Here's the account we managed to trade. This is the 5th. Is not having anything, Bob. Is not having. Greetings, welcome everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Let's get started with the giveaway. I want to double check. Badger, are you ready? Are you here? If so, we're starting. Let me know. Look at those wicks. Good job, good job. So we're having extra stuff today. Extra. Ducks. Here we go. Wow. Look at those damn candles. All right, guys. It was a very good day. Very good day. Extremely good day. We need the wheel, we need the ducks, we need the formula. That's kind of what we need. Time for the giveaways. A ton of them. Formula today. Here's the formula. In our Discord, the formula is pinned in the chat. We're ready, guys. We're ready today. I'll use this indicator. Let me send you the link. This one. Link is in the chat for the indicator. This is weird for the longs, right? So this situation here is so weird for the longs. I would seek for shorts. I would seek for shorts, waffles. We're doing the giveaways. I would seek for shorts. On 150,000 Lucid Flex, we qualify for all these payouts. Plus 1 Lucid Pro. But 5 totally. Alright, guys, so make sure to fill up the form. Let me bring up the wheel. Fill up the form, guys. Fill up the form. Like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. These are the mandatory things to participate. We have extra giveaway today because we qualified for a max payout on Lucid. So we're gonna share 250,000 Lucid Pro accounts today instead of 1. First, we're gonna make a video about this achievement and we're gonna share a giveaway on that one too. Oh yeah. It's giveaways time. I'll let you do your job, everyone. Like the video, be subscribed, join Discord, fill up the form. Thank you. Caps off, aggressive trading. Caps off, otherwise you get a timeout. Again, you get a timeout again. Funded accounts, Jacob. Funded accounts. So we're ready. This game is simple. You have to... Sorry to hear that. You have to guess the number, a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not spam. First giveaway will be the Lucid ones. 250k Lucid Pro for the first giveaway, guys. Why 2? because we qualified for a $15,000 payout today and we're doing an extra. So listen up. 00, 11, 22, 77. That's it. You can start right now. Let me know. Let's go, guys. Come on. Best of luck, everyone. 00, 11, 22, 77. That's simple, right? Oh, oh, oh. Best of luck, guys. Okay, stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Thank you. Stop right there. Shuffle, and we're good to go. Alright, so we're gonna have some timeouts here. Santos. Timeout. That's going to be number 2. Congratulations for winners. Simple number 2. Congratulations for winners. Yeah. Good job. I think Jake is missing out. Good luck, everyone. Jake is not here. Aggressive trading is going to have a timeout. He's using caps again. Congratulations for winners. Good job. I told you guys, no caps. Jake is not here. He's missing out on big stuff. So we have 53 guys competing, and we're sharing 2 accounts. Jake's Spirit is here. 30 seconds. The first and the second is winning. They are the ones winning. Top 2 is winning. Top 2 is winning the Lucid Pro. Who's gonna speed up right now for the Lucid Pro, guys? This is the first giveaway. We have a ton. Aline Peepo. Aline Peepo. Congratulations. And Nishukla. Aline and Nishukla. Option Man on the 3rd. And Pip Guru on the 4th. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Congratulations. Let's find out if they completed the form. Aline, did you fill up the form? Yes, Aline Peepo is filling up the form. Congratulations. And Nishukla. Nishukla, yes, congratulations. 50,000 Lucid Pro runs to your pocket. Congratulations for both of you. Option Man, you're the 3rd. You missed that one by... Yeah, look at that one, mister. Where's Badger? Oh, Badger with Jake Spirit is 20. I'm 30. Oh. No, this is rigged. We gotta do something. This is rigged. Continuing, guys, continuing with the next giveaway. We're sharing a ton. We're gonna have oh my gosh, what a lovely situation here. I tell you, I have a short on my big belly accounts. And I'm gonna leave it open. Believe it or not, we have a 10 mini short on the big belly accounts. You guys will find out what happened tomorrow. A short from higher than 720s. So already 60 points on 10 minis. Great. 3 accounts of 50k blue sky. Next giveaway. 3 accounts of 50k blue sky. Listen up, guys. Watch out. 0011 single 2 right now. Just a single 2. You can start. Let me know your best choice. Come on. 3 accounts of 50k from blue sky in this one. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. 650s. Wondering how deep is gonna go. Yeah. Waffle, I hope you got in some shorts. Stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. Shuffle, we're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck. You gotta guess between the starting command and ending command. Otherwise, your response is not recorded. That's gonna be probably the 0. If we not move towards the number 1, it's gonna be number 1. Congratulations for winners. I'm not gonna use the pedal before we touch number 1. Congratulations, look at that. Number 1 for the winners. Good job. Good job. I like this. Congratulations. Let's pick the winners. You guys are running for 3 accounts on Blue Sky, so top 3 will win. Oh, 79. 79. Top 3 will win. Top 3. Look at a Gypsmith. Having the mask. Having the mask on. Ten seconds to go. You gotta speed up. Oh. Who's winning out here, guys? Congratulations. Look at that. Villain. Congratulations, Villain. Sheev and Domi. You guys are the winners. Congratulations. Look at that. Let's find out. That was very close. That was very close. We're gonna find out if you filled up the form. Villain, yes, you got it. Sheev, did you? Yes, you also have it. Domi. Congratulations. You guys have the Blue Sky accounts. Congratulations. Continuing with a last on 3 giveaways again here. Basically today we shared 8 accounts. 2 from Lucid. 3 from Blue Sky. And then the current ones. Watch out. So we're having a 25,000 Ignite Tap 1 Futures for the first ranked, 25,000 FundedSeat Flex, and 50k YRM. These are going to be the top 3. Watch out for the numbers 2277 and a single number 8. Let me know your best choice, guys. Let's go. Look at that buying pressure. I'm watching this. This is so silly. Yeah. Let me know your best choice. 2277 single 8. Let me know, guys. Keep it going. Keep it going. Stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. Shuffle and we're good to go. Number 7 twice, number 2 twice, number 8 single. It's not going to be number 8. Probably it's going to be number 7. Probably on the blue. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. Yeah, number 7 in blue. Congratulations. Good job. Congratulations. Oh my gosh, what a buying pressure stepping up on Nasdaq. Crazy, guys. That's why you gotta use trailing break even once you run nice profits. Trailing break even, absolutely mandatory. Absolutely mandatory. Look at that. 98 winners. Oh. Yeah, we're not gonna have time to do 2 rounds. We're doing a single round. Top 3 is winning, as I said. Top 3. Thank you, guys. Top 3 is winning. Look at that. Remember, today I'm posting about Lucid. ISGN, God's Plan, and OM Patel. Look at that one. We got the top 3 winners. Congratulations. Look at that. We're going to find it out if they filled up the form. Oh yeah. Give me a second. ISJN. Have you filled up the form? Where's the form? Where's the form, buddy? Here's the form. Congratulations. Good job. An X1, God's Plan. Did you? Yes, you also got it. And Om Patel. Where's Om Patel? He's not here. So it's Simple Peter, the lucky guy. The Simple Peter, you got this one. It's Simple Peter. You got this one. Patel is not here, didn't fill up the form. OM Patel. Simple Peter, it's your lucky day, but it's just a 50k YRM. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck right there. Thank you once again. Oh my gosh, so my short is still having a good time. Look at that rejection. Look at that. Look at that rejection. Thank you once again, guys. We had a tremendous day, qualifying for $15,000 payout on Lucid. I'll film a video about this payout too. I'll film it tomorrow, then requesting the payout. We're not going to trade tomorrow Lucid. Probably not going to trade tomorrow Lucid. And yeah, thank you, guys. It has been a tremendous time. We got a short and 10 minutes open. You guys will find out what happened. I can even open it right now. Let me do that. Give me a second. Let me show you. Let me show you about the short we have. We have 10 minutes short on the big value accounts. Give me a moment, guys. I'm showing you. Give me a moment for Quant Tower to load up. A moment for Quant Tower to load up, please. Takes a moment to load up all those details. You guys want to see that. That's not a moving average, the green line. It is a dynamic swing and short. Come on, Quantower, why is it so slow? We got a ton of things. It's connecting. We got a ton of things running. Oh, now it's loading. Look at that. $12,000. 12 grand. 13 grand. Beautiful, guys. So that's it. Thank you once again. Have a lovely, beautiful day. Meet you up tomorrow. Thank you, guys.